Good morning and welcome to the October 2010 InnTouch Forum. We're excited to have you with us today, and as I was preparing, I realized we're almost into 2 years of InnTouch forums, so that's quite a big anniversary for us, and we're glad that you joined us today. Hope you're enjoying the beginning of fall weather in your area. We certainly are in the Nashville area. During the webinar, if you have questions, you can put those on chat, and we'll be monitoring those throughout the webinar. If we have time, we'll answer them at the end, or we'll follow up directly with you today after the webinar. So feel free to put any questions you have in the chat function of our program. Today, our subject is using simple packages to increase revenue, and we have Marie Ainsworth with us to share simple packages and some tips on that. Marie is our product manager here at InnLink, and I hope that you'll get a chance to hear a lot more from her in the webinars ahead as we enhance your functionality and bring new capabilities to you. So I'm going to turn it over directly to Marie. Marie, we thank you for coming, and take it away on simple packages to increase revenue.
Thank you, Pam. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today as we talk about the benefits and the ease of use of simple packages. Today, we will share some tips and ideas of how to make the most of your packages, and also walk through the setup process for 2 packages within the CRS, a winter ski package and a New Year's package. The real purpose of packages is to provide additional customer value for their stay. From a hotelier's perspective, using the availability controls, such as minimum length of stay, can also help capture additional revenue for your property. And adding inclusions to your package increases the overall revenue value of the reservation. On average, InnLink independent properties that use packages see a 30% higher ADR. Of course, this percentage fluctuates depending on the inclusions. For example, if you are including champagne and chocolate strawberries, the ADR variance is far less than a ski package. Now, we all know how important it is to touch our customers, and creating a package provides an excellent reason to do so. Send an e-blast to your customers and embed the URL that will take them directly to your package on the booking engine. We'll see an example of that a little further on into the presentation. And also make sure that you have your packages highlighted on your website for those guests who don't receive the e-blast but visit your site. Package ideas. Be creative. Think about special events going on in your area and wrap a package around them. Through the holidays, family-oriented packages are an excellent choice, while New Year's Eve offers the perfect opportunity for a couple's getaway. Think about what your area has to offer. If you're in the north, entice your customers to come play in the snow through the use of ski packages or snowmobile packages. If you're in the south, you can encourage your customers to get out of the snow and enjoy a round of golf, area attractions, or simply to soak up the sunshine. Building simple packages allows you the simplicity to manage like a rate code with enhanced, easy-to-use functionality that adds the package component. To begin with, you will create your rate code and package name, and when you come to the category drop-down, select Packages. You will notice then that a new box opens up called Package Detail Bullet Points. This is where you will add your inclusions. Please be aware that you don't have to put a bullet point before each item. The system does that for you. Because of this, avoid hitting Enter or Return at the end of the last line, because doing so will create a bullet point without any text beside it. Next, we have Restrict from Room View, BBE Filter, and Single Tier checkboxes. In this example, we are using Restrict from Room View. You would check this box if you want the rate to show up on the Packages tab, but not on the Rooms tab. And it's important to note that checking this box causes the package to not display on the GDS. We recommend that you do not select the BBE filter checkbox so that all of your available rates display to the guest on the BBE. If you would select this checkbox, the guest has the option to filter only that package for display on the BBE. If you select single tier, your package rate will display regardless of the rate tier you are on. And the sort order applies when you have multiple packages with the same date range. So in this example, I've left it at 100 because this is the only package built. You would go on then to select if your package is travel agency commissionable, and then use your minimum, maximum, length of stay, or advanced booking controls to control when your package can be booked and the length of stay that the guest would need to qualify. Begin and end sell dates denotes the dates you want the guest to be able to book your package, where begin date and end date are your stay dates of your package. When you've completed all those required fields, you would click Save. And then see your Modify screen. The Modify screen allows you the opportunity to change anything or include anything you might have missed. For those of you that are paying very close attention, you'll now see that the TA commissionable checkbox is now checked because I did actually forget to do that during the Create New phase. This Modify screen also gives you the opportunity to set your package rate as a derived rate code if you would choose to do so. However, in this example, we have not. The next step would be to select the image to display for your package. You can upload images directly from your desktop by clicking Upload New Image, or you can select from a library of images by clicking Use Existing Image. Then go to the Channel Control tab to select the channels that you want your package to display within. In this example, we have opted to display on the BBE and through the call center. Additional details about the package can be added for the call center agent. As a final step, proceed to update the rate for your package. The rate is reflective of the inclusions as well as the room. This is done the same way you would update any other rate. Now for the exciting part. Here is the end result of your package setup. The package only displays on the Packages tab because we had selected Restrict from Room View during the setup process. The image that was uploaded for your package displays, as does your package description, the inclusions with the bullet points added for you, as well as the stay parameters you set up, the begin and end dates, or the stay dates, and your 2-night minimum length of stay. When you are on this step of the BBE, you can copy the URL link from your address bar for use in your eBlast or on your website to take the guest directly to the package. For our second example, we will use a New Year's Eve package. Rather than go through each step of the build process again, I would like to simply call out the things that we did differently. In this example, we did not select Restrict from Room View. Again, you would click Save. And you would see the Modify screen. Once again, a little do-over opportunity to catch anything you might have missed or change anything. You'd go again to the Multimedia tab and upload your package image, and to the Channel Control tab where you would determine where your package would be viewed. In this example, we will display the package through the BBE call center as well as the GDS. The end result, once again, because we did not select Restrict from Room View, your package displays on the Rooms tab, and on the Packages tab. In summary, Simple Packages allows you the simplicity of managing your packages as a rate code. Now that you are familiar with the setup process, be creative. Customize your packages by highlighting areas of interest, special events, or simply your climate. And don't forget to include the URL in your eBlast marketing campaign and to highlight your packages on your website.
Thank you, Marie. We've had quite a few questions over the last few months since we've rolled out Simple Packages. So we're going to follow this up with an e-blast to all of the properties that includes notes on what Marie has just covered on how to create simple packages. So look for that in your e-blast coming from InnLink in the very near future. Our intent is to get that out in the next day or two, and those notes can be passed on to others in your property that you want to create packages. Marie's tips will also have been recorded and will be available on our website by the end of the week. So I'm looking for questions and I don't see any. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about what we have in store for next month's InnTouch Forum. We're really excited about this because we're going to be able to cover advanced e-marketing with Trailix, and we'll be launching that product. You should see some e-blasts before this. It is integrated into the CRS, and Trailix will give you the ability to do advanced e-marketing with coupons and lots of additional functionality that we haven't had before. So this will be some of the first time that you get to hear about that. You'll want to join us on November 16th as we go through that and show you some examples. And we look forward to having you join us again. Thanks again, Marie. And again, if you have any questions, you can always contact our customer service. Thank you.